Yesterday, we also heard the oral arguments for both sides. And Representative Chel Jokno mentioned, Senator Alan Peter Cayetano back in the Corona trial as well. And I just wanted to ask you, how would you compare the current set of prosecutors and defense attorneys to those during the Corona and maybe the Estrada trials, and not just the prosecution and the defense, also the senator judges? Like, any similarities, marked differences?
Mahirap yung tanong mo, Cheska. No? Maraming magagalit sa akin. Pero, I will try to answer. Yung mga prosecutor at defense dati, may gravitas eh. Yung mga senador, may gravitas. Pag tumayo, alam mong may laman at may sasabihin. Hindi ko sinasabing walang gravitas itong set. Pero even the way they deliver, the way they verbalize, articulate, they visualize the language so that Filipinos will be able to understand. Ibang-iba. Ito parang, I'm sorry to say, parang magkakabarkada, magkakaedad, batuhan sila.
Todo mo na, Miss Malu, wag ka na maging
Please
mabait.
don't hold back.
We wanna hear.
Diba?
We wanna hear it from you.
Parang hindi mo maiko-compare dun sa impeachment. Yun na lang, hindi mo maiko-compare sa impeachment ni President Erap at ni CJ Corona. Yung mga senator judge, no? Siguro it will take time for them to get the hang of it. Yung iba kasi hindi pa alam yung kung nabasa mo ba yung brief, naintindihan mo ba, no? Maraming catching up. At iilan lamang ang lawyers dito sa 20th Congress, unlike before na maraming lawyers, kaya nakakapagtulungan, nasasabi kung ano. Ang namimiss ko yung mga likes ni Justice Cuevas, di ba? Yung talagang may gravitas. Kahit nung panahon ni Estrada. Yes, talagang mga kuwan. Pag nagsalita, talagang may laman. Tapos kung ikaw yung sa prosecution or defense, parang magugulat ka, iisipin mo, nga, no, tama siya. So yun yung kuwan. Walang elder statesman or stateswoman. Imagine if Miriam was alive and she's there. Imagine if Marcoleta was there. Wala yung razor sharp na batuhan eh. Lahat objection lang ng object, tapos magro-rule.
But also to be a fly on the wall at that caucus, ha?
Yes. Diba? So, but this is what we have in the Senate. So, I hope they step up